Welcome to TBI Mission Control. I'm Dave Landsberger, Senior Director of Training and Development here at TBI, and today we're going to be talking all about a tool to send your company straight to the stratosphere. We're talking about TBI's serviceability tool, one of the most valuable features that our partners use. So let's take a look. You can start by accessing serviceability from your partner platform and simply just by entering one address. Or alternatively, you can search multiple addresses all at once. Once you have all those addresses put in, there's a helpful template for you to go ahead and get started. Now, once all the options are available and back for you to review, you can simply scroll through all the different ISPs and connection types that are available at those different locations. Then, it's as easy as creating a PDF quote right there from the platform. Don't forget, our support staff is here to help you. So if you have any questions, reach out to TBI Training and we'll walk you through this step by step. This tool is designed to help you save time and win with your customers, so you spend less time sifting through all the options and more time shooting for the stars.